And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Well, for today, you're going to step outside and notice it's very warm, very humid. Also carry an umbrella with you. We are calling for a few showers in the forecast, but you're going to notice over the next couple of days, the showers start to decline in the forecast and the hot and humid weather starts to return, especially in time for the weekend. Now, today is the first day of June, which marks the first day of the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season. So we will have a closer look at what's happening in the tropics coming up in just a few minutes. Looking at the First Warn 5 Doppler network to get this forecast going, not much action out there this morning. We've been seeing just a few stray showers there along the coastline, but that's pretty much it. You can see they're kind of just streaming along the coastline near Port Mansfield, so don't be surprised if you see maybe a few sprinkles from time to time, but that's it. This is what it looks like outside our KRGV studio here in Weslaco. The skies are starting to fill up with some clouds out there, but you can still see the sunrise on the horizon. A real pretty start to the day, but it is very warm and humid. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s outside, and of course it feels extra sticky with the calm wind in place and also the high humidity. Now it is going to impact your forecast, that humidity. It's going to make it feel even hotter as the day goes on. We're calling for a high temperature of 91 degrees today, but it'll feel like the triple digits when you factor in the humid air, and we're going to continue with that as we head into the weekend. Also notice that the average is 93, but we're going to go slightly above that by Saturday, so it will be feeling even hotter come Sunday afternoon. Here's your First Warn 5 future track outlook, and we put this in motion to start the rain chances, and there's really not a whole lot of rain, but there could be some along the coastline this morning. What we will see are the increasing clouds, and then by this afternoon, that's where we could get a few showers going. Notice this clock says 2 o'clock this afternoon. Mainly in the mid to lower valley, you can expect that activity first, and then the upper valley, maybe a stray shower later on this afternoon, but your rain chances are a little bit less compared to the lower valley, and we're back to clear skies for the overnight hours. Setup across Texas keeps a lot of that rain to the north and east, moving out of Houston and into Louisiana this morning. But for the deep South Texas area, just a few showers along the coast. It's pretty much what's happening right now. Now, when we look at future track again, we zoom this model out and we fast forward it to Friday afternoon. So tomorrow at 1, this upper level disturbance will be getting closer and closer. But the thing about it is we're going to have this dry air move in ahead of that. So for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, really not a whole big chance for rain out there. But come Monday, that changes. Here we go. This is Monday afternoon at about 5 o'clock, and you notice all of deep South Texas in that green. So I will bump up those rain chances to about 30 or 40% for the beginning of the work week, and we'll kind of hang there through about Tuesday, possibly even Wednesday, but it looks like at this point drier air will move in just in time to kind of clear everything out. We continue to track the tropics for the first day of the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season. Nothing going on in the Gulf or the Atlantic, but we do have Tropical Depression 2E in the eastern North Pacific moving north to northeast. Pretty slow moving storm bringing a lot of heavy rain to the southern coast of Mexico. With that being said, this particular storm is expected to fall apart as it moves over land, but it could strengthen briefly to Tropical Storm Beatriz. It's something that we'll continue to watch. But like I said, lots of heavy rain for southern Mexico, and that system will eventually fall apart. We are getting ready for our Hurricane Ready Expo this Saturday at the South Texas Mid-Valley campus in Wexico. It's free from 10 to 3. Come on out and we'll give you some really good tips for the impending season. The coastal forecast for today, nothing out there, just a moderate chop on the base near shore waters 2 to 3 feet. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 91 today, 92 tomorrow, 94 through about Monday or so, and then we're up to 96 midweek with a few showers and thunderstorms expected to pick up by Monday and Tuesday. Overnight lows will be in the mid 70s, and it looks like your rain chances decline just in time for the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay